You searched how to buy shares of Maase Inc. And Maase Inc. is an industrial technology and manufacturing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MAAS. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy MAAS, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MAAS to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Maase Inc. stock listed on NASDAQ to avoid similar names. Open the Maase Inc. asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page shows MAAS and NASDAQ so you are on the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or placed as a limit order. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your MAAS position will appear in your portfolio and holdings list. For the example link to eToro and more details, see the description below.